Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find your Ethereum wallet address on KuCoin. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go over to KuCoin and log in into your account. Once you've done that, you simply want to go over to the wallet icon in the top right and click on main account. You'll then be sent over to a screen looking similar to this one. And now you need to go over to deposit, and if there's a choice menu, make sure to select deposit crypto and not deposit fiat. You'll then see this screen or this menu, and you want to go over to select a coin and click on the coin selector. Now go over to the search bar and search for the coin you would like to deposit, which in this case is Ethereum. You'll then see that you need to select a network. So click on the network selector, and before you select a network, please go over to the exchange you're withdrawing from and look at the networks that are available on the other exchange. Now look for any chains that are available on both the other exchange and KuCoin. For Ethereum, the Ethereum chain will always be available, so I'd personally recommend to always use Ethereum. Because if you transfer your Ethereum from a Binance Smart Chain or any other network to, let's say, the Ethereum chain, all of your funds will be lost. So make sure to double check and always make sure that the chains are the same on both of the exchanges. Then just simply copy your wallet address, paste it in, and you're ready to go. If there's anything I didn't explain clearly enough, feel free to ask me in the comments down below so I can help you out.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.